On today's episode, I show you guys one of the most common leaks on the E39 5 Series sedan and how to repair it for $3. As you guys know, I just bought a 2002 530i Sport to replace my 2001 530i Sport. My father also drives my old green 530i, and one of my best friends from college also drives a 2002 530i. All of our cars have this one coolant leak in common, and that is the coolant bracket or elbow that comes off the top of the radiator in the front of the car. Now, the best part about making this repair is that this part is made by Behr, it's genuine, it's made in Germany, and it costs less than $3. Now, in order to remove this elbow, first we need to remove some plastic pins or rivets from the radiator shroud, move that slightly out of the way so that we can remove this part. There are two plastic rivets holding the fan shroud in place, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side by the expansion tank. With the rivets removed, we can lift up on the shroud about an inch or so to reveal a small coolant hose and clamp. Loosen the clamp and remove the hose from the elbow fitting. Carefully remove the old plastic fitting from the radiator. Be sure not to drop it, like this. Snap in the new plastic elbow and reattach the hose with clamp. Next, position the fan shroud back into place and reinstall the two plastic rivets. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.